Good morning, medical fans. Today's video is about the tallest wrestler of all time. His name was Gargantua. I'm Watson, your resident giant expert, and this is Bizarre Medical. Born Kurt Zia on January 12, 1913, Gargantua had the tallest build height of any wrestler in history. Promoters claimed that he was 8 foot 4 inches tall. You're watching some rare video footage of him wrestling at Royal Albert Hall. Of course, in typical wrestling fashion, his height and weight were extremely exaggerated. Those same promoters also said he weighed 50 stone, and that translates to about 700 pounds. And most people would argue that he was nowhere near 700 pounds. The Gargantuan man was brought to the US after World War II by wrestling agents in an effort to help revive the aging business. However, the legend of Gargantua began during World War II, where he was known as Germany's largest soldier. After the war, he worked in various professions, but wrestling wound up being his calling.
Gargantua can stand so much and no more before he loses his patience, and Strangler nearly loses his head. I'll huff and I'll puff and blow me down, he won't go down.
Various websites and publications have estimated his real height to be somewhere around the 7'2" mark. That puts him below Giant Gonzalez in actual height, but slightly taller than the Big Show, Khali, and even Andre the Giant's estimated true height. What do you think? Was he taller than Andre? Leave us a comment below. Which giant wrestler should we cover next? Another man billed at 8 foot tall is Silo Sam. Would you like to see more about Big Sam? Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got new videos all the time. Adios. Good medical morning. This is Watson, and I have a medical case so bizarre that I don't even know where to start. 21-year-old Russian Kirill Teryoshin wanted to be known for having the world's largest biceps. And as far as we can tell, he attempted this with little to no exercise. In his journey, he amassed over 300,000 Instagram followers and was initially known as the Russian Popeye. To attain his massive arms, Kirill used a controversial fluid to pump up his size. The oil itself does little more than inject fluid into your muscles and make them look bigger, and it has no positive health benefits. It's supposed to be used to fill out minor asymmetries in bodybuilding, but it's also used as a cheat. And it tends to spread, giving an uneven or lumpy appearance. Kirill's arms reached in excess of 24 inches, and he claimed he wouldn't stop until they were a whopping 27 inches. For reference, 24 inches was Hulk Hogan-sized arms. Comment below, are these the actions of a healthy mind? Here's what one doctor had to say. Inside the arms of this man, there are already pathologically changed tissues that look like jelly with insertions. The doctor continued to say that the arms were so infected that amputation may be the only option in the near future. After a quick glance at Kirill's social media account, it would appear that he does have some serious body image issues.
В сладость. Дамочки, я от лица всех мужчин.
Ultimately, Kirill, now known as the Synthol Kid to many online, had to have his arms drained to relieve pressure from the infection. It looks like he won't be entering any record books anytime soon. Leave your comments below. What do you think of the Russian Popeye and his unique attempts to enter the record books? What are your thoughts on his mental health, considering his exploits could have cost him his life? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting medical content all the time. See you next time.